Welcome back to my third post today. On this post, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Ethereum and see what exactly has gone on with Ethereum this week. I'm going to be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. But let me know what symbols you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now let's dive right into Ethereum and see what exactly is going on. All the way out to the monthly time frame, since I have not done an analysis on Ethereum for a while, I would like to see where exactly it is on the largest time frame that I use. On the monthly time frame, I can see that there was quite a bit of volume for this month, along with higher price action. So that is a healthy bullish trend in the making right now. I also do see on the RSI time frame that there is no possible bearish divergence yet. So this tells me that the momentum for the bulls are still there. And for this month, we had actually reached almost as high as over $620, which is also the 0.386 fib level range. Okay, now I think this is absolutely healthy because I don't see usually that candle closes and breaks above a major resistance level and actually close above there on the first attempt. More often than not, that does not happen. So I think this pullback is absolutely normal. Now let's take a look into the weekly time frame and see what exactly has gone on. On the weekly time frame, I did see possible bearish divergence that is actually playing out right now because of this higher high comparing with this lower high, but we actually do see a lower high on the RSI that is bearish divergence. Whenever I see that happening on a chart, I'll be extra cautious, okay? Because more often than not, that could signal a pullback just like we are seeing right now. Now, how strong would this pullback be? That would depend on the bulls and see where the supports are going to hold up the price. Currently, we do see that the daily 21 simple moving average is holding up the price right now and acting as supports. Judging from the previous 2 bearish candles, I can see that the bulls are actually holding up here, but we're going to see if they are going to be successful in bouncing the price action up from here. Okay, if they are, I would say that is very bullish because this is weekly bearish divergence. Even if that lasts for one red candle for 1 week, bouncing off the daily 21 simple moving average is still pretty significant. I would actually expect that bearish divergence to come all the way down to the weekly 21 simple moving average. Okay, that is just based on my own trading experience. You guys let me know what you think. Now, let's take a look into the other components of this situation right now. So on the last high on the price action here, on the daily time frame, we had actually created a pretty high RSI reading. So even if we actually do get a bounce here on the daily 21 simple moving average and actually create a higher high on the next on the price action chart, but do not create a higher high on the RSI charts, I could still expect a pullback to come soon after, as I would not consider that to be a clean breakout. Okay, so this is something to be keeping an eye out for. If we actually do make a higher high on the price action chart, are we going to get a higher high on the RSI reading? Okay, to see if a pullback could be coming soon right after that next higher high. Now let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenario. The bullish case scenario right now would, for me, to say that if the bulls are actually able to continue holding the price up from this daily 21 simple moving average and get a bounce from there and get a higher high on the price action chart. Okay, that is the bullish case scenario. Okay, if we actually don't get a strong pullback from this weekly bearish divergence. If the daily 21 simple moving average does not hold, we do have quite a bit of moving averages across major time frames that are below us, including the daily 50 simple moving average that could act as support and on the way back down. But the ultimate support I am looking for here is the fib level right here, which would be about $400, the 0.236 fib level. In my opinion, if we actually break below that fib level as a short-term trader, I think that is very bearish because I never like seeing support being broken. Past support becomes resistance. Now let's check out how many moving averages are actually down there that could be acting as support between the price action now, if it breaks below this daily 21 simple moving average, between then and this 0.236 fib level here. So we have the daily 50, we have the 4-hour 200, we have the 6-hour 200, 12-hour 200, which is very close to the fib level there, the 3-day 21, so quite a bit of moving averages. But like I said, I like setting very tight stops, so if a support is broken, I would be very cautious, and in this case, I'll be looking at the daily 21 simple moving average first before anything, and the ultimate level that I'm looking at will be about the $400. That would be a very bad sign if we actually get price action below that again. Now, this concludes my very short analysis of Ethereum so far. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys found it helpful. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on crypto analysis, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.